Hello, my friends, and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you a plan with me, and I'm going to be using this super fun kit. This is one of my magical classes kit. This is year 4, so this would be Goblet of Fire. And as I'm putting them down, I'm going to kind of talk a little bit about how I kind of come up with these kits for the stickers, and then ask for your help at the end. So for this one, Goblet of Fire, you can see all the full boxes there. I tried to, first I listened to the book, and I have all the books on audio. And so I'll spend, a day or two listening to the audiobooks. Then I sit down with my notepad and my iPad and I start the movie. And then I watch the movie and I take notes throughout the entire movie. And then I try to grab like pieces and parts from the movie, and a little bit from the books too. I try to find things that are in both movie and book. So if you're a book Harry Potter fan, you'll recognize the kit, or if you're a movie Harry Potter fan, or both, you'll recognize what's in the kit. So that is what I did for this one. But I try to make it so it's not screaming Harry Potter. Like, you're not going to see anywhere on there where it says Goblet of Fire. You're not going to see anything on there where it says like Harry Potter or anything like that, because I don't want to get in trouble. So magical school, magic classes, that kind of stuff, you'll see that, but you're not going to see a whole lot of where it actually says Harry Potter anywhere. But I want you to be able to look at this kit and know that that's what it is, and know what movie it is. If you're a fan, you're going to recognize everything on there. So as I'm putting the boxes down, we'll kind of talk about the boxes a little bit. But what ended up happening this last time, so I'm getting ready to do year 5. So we are working on Order of the Phoenix right now. I just finished the book, turned on the movie, started watching the movie, and oh my gosh, I am having the hardest time trying to nail down things. I have stuff from extendable ears to the thestrals to I just have so much in my head and I cannot narrow it down. It is driving me insane. So that is where I'm hoping some of you will come in and like help me out. Give me some ideas. Drop it down in the comment below. Give me some ideas of some things that you think are like must have Order of the Phoenix boxes that would absolutely have to be in this, so that I can narrow down my list. On my list, I probably have like 25 things, and obviously cannot do that. I can only have 9 boxes, so I need to fit all of that into 9 boxes. So for the scenes, I already kind of think I know what I want for the scenes. I always try to do 2 scenes for every kit so that you have a couple of choices, and I always have the ability, if I can ever, order these darn books again. So all of the shipping issues are really starting to irritate me because I can't afford to replace the books. So by books, I mean the sticker storage stuff. So the reusable sticker storage, the 4x6, the 5x7s, all of those, I just can't afford it. The shipping is just out of control. So if I can reorder and get a shipment in of those books, I like to have this as an option for those books, like stuff like this one right here. So I've got the 2 scenes side by side that I did for this one. And one of them is obviously the house, where the old Muggle caretaker opens the door and sees the chair with the fireplace and the snake. And then the other one is in the graveyard, where Voldemort is over the cauldron, and you know what scene that is. So those were the 2 scenes I picked for this one. I've already kind of thought about what scene I want. I know one of the scenes that I want for the Order of the Phoenix. Obviously, I'm going to want the Order of the Phoenix, the headquarters. I'm obviously going to want, that house in the book. So that's one of them, but the other one I'm not sure yet. I haven't figured out what the second scene is going to be. And then all the little pieces and parts. So in this one, I have everything from, I don't know if you saw it before, because let me look. I have it in front of me. I don't think I used that box. It's kind of sad because I really love that box, but I ran out of room for it. The one that I'm missing is the quick quill and the glasses. So that one isn't in here, but you know who that is. And then the rest of these, so you've got the Death Eater mask, you've got the Weird Sisters at the Yule Ball, which I absolutely love that poster. You've got the dragons for the test, you got the bow baton, clothing, and Professor Moody's eye and the flask. I mean, there's like things here that just like scream. And then the saying in the washi with the bone of the father, blood, flesh of the servant, that little saying that Wormtail said when he was bringing back Voldemort. So I think I nailed it pretty well with this kit, and I think I've done a pretty decent job. But for some reason, Order of the Phoenix is just driving me insane. The other thing I want to say is I want to apologize right now for the sound quality of this. My headphones with the good speaker and all that, they kind of died on me, and then I had a backup pair, but it sounded worse than the broken pair, so I'm just doing this without. So I have no headphone, no nothing. This is just straight to the computer, so it's probably gonna sound a little bit muffled. It might sound a little bit weird. I'm going to be ordering a new set of headphones, and there might be a lot of like extra noise that I don't normally have in here, like the dogs or somebody walking around or whatever. So I do apologize if the sound is weird. I know, and I'm working on it. So hopefully I'll have that fixed maybe by next week. Look at, see, I told you I cannot put down a sticker straight to save my life. So thank goodness for that sticker lifter from Pretty Planner, because yeah, that thing is a lifesaver. Anyway, back to the planner. The other thing that I'm going to be doing soon is switching. So for the month of November, I want to swap my planners. So this planner is my TPC hybrid planner, and it has the daily journaling pages in it, and I love them, but I have fallen off of the daily journaling. Like I didn't even make it like a couple months to where I just kind of fell off. I just don't have time. I don't have time to sit down and do daily journaling and, do the pictures and all that. I need to be able to do it monthly and not daily. And so I'm going to go back to my Cocoa Daisy for that. I've had Cocoa Daisy now for well over a year. Well over a year, where I've been getting it every single month, and I had a system going and it was working out really, really well. I don't know why I changed it. I know why I changed it. I changed it because I wanted to try out this hybrid planner, and I love the hybrid planner, but it doesn't work for me for my memory keeping, because honestly I don't have that much to memory keep every day. What I do have every day is shop stuff, shop stuff that needs to be done. So before I get onto that, let me tell you this. If you are looking for any type of like these paint swatches or anything where you want to fill in some spaces and you want something like this, Punky B Designs is where you go. So these two right here are from the Basic Rainbow. I also bought, last time I bought, I want to say pumpkin spice, so it's like all the fall colored ones, really pretty oranges and reds. And I'm going to go back and buy more. So I know I'm a sticker shop and I know I can make my own. I'm well aware of that, but I like to support other small businesses. I like to use their stickers, so I do buy most all of my stickers. I hardly ever use my own. I'm always using other shop stickers because, like I said, I like to support small businesses. I like to shop. I like to support my friends, and so I try to buy from them as much as possible, and then reserve my own kits for stuff like this. Where if it's something special, I will use my own kits, or if I'm trying to fill in a week where I don't have anything specifically for it, I'll pull out one of my own things. But for the most part, I like to use everybody else's stuff. So, Punky B, yeah. So go back to Punky B, go check them out. I'm 99.9% positive. Actually, I'm 100% positive that she's in the Black Friday sale. So I'm sure you'll be able to get a really good deal on the functional sheets, but don't fight me for them because I'm going to be getting some more. Anyway, back to the planner. So the daily stuff, I think that I would be better served by using the daily planners for, I'm just going to put down the deco, and then I think I'm pretty much done with this. But anyway, I think I'm better served using it for shop stuff rather than daily planning. I don't know, I'll talk about it some more in my other plan with me, because I have another one coming out for this same week, but in the ANN planner. So I'll talk a little bit more about it there and see what you guys think. Anyway, like I said, if you can, please give me some ideas to help me out with Order of the Phoenix, because it is driving me insane. There's the glasses and the quick quote quill. You could say that 10 times fast. And yeah, just if you've got any ideas, leave them down below. I will leave the shop linked below. Join my Facebook group. The new kit is coming out for the monthly, and I'm super excited to show it to you. It's going to go there first in the Facebook group for the reveal. And that's it. This is what I got left. This is the whole planner. I hope you guys like this, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.